Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about the top 5 gaming phones. Smartphones have almost entirely replaced handheld consoles for gaming, and with good reason. They often have excellent screens and plenty of power, while the App Store and Google Play Store both have a large and ever-growing selection of games. But not all smartphones are good for games, and there's more to consider than just raw power, though that's certainly a factor. Here are the top 5 gaming phones. 1. Nubia Red Magic 5G. The Nubia Red Magic 5G has the world's first 144Hz smartphone screen, which makes it ideal for gaming, as that's a silky smooth refresh rate. But that's not the only thing that makes this ideal for gaming. In fact, it's designed specifically for this pastime, with shoulder triggers to give you increased control, a fan and a liquid cooling system to keep the handset cool under pressure, a dedicated game space to let you customize your gaming experience, and a 4D shock feature that adds vibration to games. 2. Asus ROG Phone 3. The Asus ROG Phone 3 remains a phone with all the perks a mobile gamer needs, including a staggeringly large 6000 mAh battery for extended gaming sessions and a slick 144Hz AMOLED screen in a large 6.59-inch size. Add to that truly top-tier specs, with the combination of a Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, up to 16GB of RAM and masses of storage, and you can see why the Asus ROG Phone 3 makes our list. 3. Black Shark 3. The Black Shark 3 is the best gaming phone from the Xiaomi sub-brand, although it doesn't quite beat its contemporary gaming phones from a few other brands. The phone is big, bold in design and has LED lights, and its specs are all what you'd expect from a gaming phone, in that, they're top end. The cameras were surprisingly effective too, especially in low light settings, though sometimes the optimization could be overzealous. 4. Razer Phone 2. The first Razer phone was a solid first effort to bring the gamer-specific brand to a mobile device, but it had a few shortcomings that dropped it further down our list. The second version has addressed some and come out with a stronger device for it, though it's still aimed primarily at gamers. 5. Black Shark 2. The Black Shark 2 is the second-generation gaming phone from Chinese firm Xiaomi's gaming arm, and it builds well on its predecessor, adding more power and a better screen into the mix. Combining a great camera, excellent internals and improved gaming credentials over the original, the Black Shark 2 is a triple threat that betters most of its gaming phone rivals. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.